everybody, welcome back to Happy Bake Day, where every day is a happy bake day. I hope you had the chance to check out our recipe from last week celebrating Valentine's Day, where we made our copycat Little Debbie Valentine's Day heart cakes. If you missed that episode, of course, you can check it out right here. This is the first episode in our new toddler snack series where we're going to be making some really great classic toddler snacks that you can make at home instead of buying them at the store. For this episode, we are going to be making chewy granola bars. For that, you're going to need 2.5 cups of old-fashioned oats, 1 cup of pecan halves, 1/3 cup of wildflower honey, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter softened, 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/3 cup of dried cranberries or raisins, 1/3 cup of mini semi-sweet chocolate chips, and some flaky salt for sprinkling. First step is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Next, you're going to, in a single layer, evenly spread your oats and your pecans onto a baking tray that's been lined with some parchment paper. Bake your mix on your tray for about 5 minutes, then take it out of the oven, stir gently, and you're going to bake for another 5 minutes until the oats and the pecans are gently toasted. Then transfer your oats and your pecans into a large mixing bowl, add the cinnamon and mix, then set the bowl aside. In a saucepan over medium-low heat, you're going to combine your honey, butter, brown sugar, and vanilla. You're going to stir gently until the butter has melted and everything has become fully nicely combined and it forms a smooth mixture. Pour your butter mixture into the bowl with your oats and your pecans, and you're going to use a silicone spatula to mix everything together really well. Allow it to rest for just a minute or two, then add in your cranberries and your chocolate chips and you're going to mix again. Then transfer your oat mixture into a square 9x9 baking dish that's been lined with some parchment paper. Use your silicone spatula to very tightly press your oats into the bottom of your baking dish. You want to make sure that these are nice and tightly packed, and then you can sprinkle your flaky salt over the top. Cover your baking dish with some aluminum foil, and you're going to chill your granola bars for 2 hours. Once that's done, use the parchment paper to gently remove your granola from your baking dish, and you're going to slice it on a cutting board into 12 equal bars. And with that, our chewy granola bars are done. I absolutely love how they turned out. They are the perfect substitute for the ones you can find at your grocery store. The thing that I really like about these is that while we added cranberries and chocolate chips in today's recipe, you can easily substitute it for other things like raisins or perhaps some chopped dried apricot. Or if you don't like the pecans, you can use almonds, really kind of whatever fruit and nut combination that you prefer, you can make with these here. And then the little bit of flaky salt on the top, especially paired with that chocolate, is just so good and really brings out some sweet and savory elements in these bars. Plus the toasting of the pecans, or if you choose to use almonds or another type of a nut, with the oats in our oven really brings out some nuttiness in the flavors and really kind of richens these up quite a bit. And then of course, because of the honey and the butter and the brown sugar, these don't solidify to become hard and crunchy. They stay really nicely soft and chewy. I'm going to keep mine in the refrigerator just to make sure that they last a little bit longer, but they're ready for eating whenever you are, and they cannot be missed. They're great for toddlers and adults alike, great for on-the-go snacking or breakfast, coffee, you name it, you'll enjoy it. Thank you so much for joining me today while we made our chewy granola bars. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you had fun baking with me today. I appreciate each and every single subscriber as you join me on this journey from banker to baker. Don't forget to visit my website or follow me on social media for this and all of my other delicious recipes and for more of my toddler snack series. Until next time, I hope you have a very happy bake day.